Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create images using text in Grok. So all you have to do is simply go ahead and go to your Grok account. Then on the left hand side, click on Imagine. And from here, you can enter the prompt that you want. I'm going to just simply enter a prompt right here, a Ferrari driving in heavy rain, right? So I'm going to type that in. Now to create my picture, just simply go ahead and click where it shows the video right here, and I'm going to switch this to image. And all I have to do is just simply click on enter or send right here, which is this black button, and it's going to generate lots of images for me. And what I really like about Grok Imagine is that it doesn't only create one image, it creates loads of different images and give you lots of different options, and it is super fast to generate those for you. So you can scroll and scroll and scroll until you find something that you like. And one of the really cool things is that you can always come back and just tweak your image that you want. So let's say you like an image, click on it, and then here you have the download button. You can also share it as well. So click download, and it's going to take you over to this page where you have your image, and so you can easily go ahead and right click and save your image on your computer by simply doing that. So click and save, and that's it. On the phone it is much different, it's much more easier. You just click save and it's saved to your phone, but on the PC it normally opens up in a new window for you to save it. The same goes for videos as well. But that's how you take your text and create images in Grok AI.